I'm going to show you how to remove background noise and improve quality of your potato mic or low quality mic, even your laptop or phone mic, how you can use this to produce high quality audio. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Before this tutorial even starts, I want to address a few things before actually trying to improve your audio quality in Audacity. These things, you know, Audacity will not help a lot if you don't do any of these things which I'm gonna say right now. If you have any file, like any traditional file which produces like a lot of noise, turn it off immediately, please. This will help yourself a lot. You can use, I think, a bladeless fan. I don't know how much noise it makes, but the most suitable alternative I would say is an air conditioner if you're like in a really hot place. And if you've got like a lot of background noise from the outside, if you like me live in a noisy place, just close the windows, because you don't want the sound of machines, like cars, riding around. And if you've got kids shouting around in your home, I don't know if that's a thing, but just close your door. This will help a lot. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial itself. So this is the basic UI of Audacity. This is where we record. You stop the recording here, you can pause the recording, play it, and basically this is. And you have MME, you just want to click on MME. Windows direction, I think, is for like internal audio. You may just want to click on your default mic here. I've renamed my mic to laptop mic, but like you must know what type of mic you're using, and you want to make sure that it's on stereo and not mono. And for the project bitrate, I would recommend 48,000. I don't really know about 44 1000. I've heard that 48,000 is like much better. So what you want to do here is actually drag the audio that you've already recorded in another video. Let's say you just want to split the audio and video and drag the audio over here, and you will start it, but for the sake of video I'm just gonna record it. And one more important thing, you just want to leave a few seconds blank, like don't talk at all, and this will help the mic to pick the background noise and actually separate it from Audacity. So yeah, that's basically it. So let me show you how to do it. Yo, how's it going, guys? It's your boy ZIOS today, back with a brand new video, and this is a test. Well, that was pretty awkward. Just click on Control A, Effect, Compressor Effect. There you go. Just you want to make sure that all the settings are like the same as mine right now. Again, I'm pretty sure it's like default already. Click on OK. Then click on Effect, Bass and Treble. You want to keep the bass around 6.2, around these figures, 6.2, 5.9, something like that. And if you want, you may use my figures. I found it pretty good actually. And the treble, you might want to choose from like 0.5 to 0.9. You just want to keep it lower than 1, but not lower than 0.5, because like it will not completely work the effect. Click on Apply, click on Close. What you want to do about this, since this huge audio wave, you want to click on Effect, add another compressor effect, click on OK. Then you would do the audio reduction, like the actual noise reduction stuff. Click on Effect, Noise Reduction. There we go. Click on Get Noise Profile. Make sure all settings are the same. Get Noise Profile, Control A, Effect, Repeat Noise Reduction. And there we go. That's pretty much it. So that's basically it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. And yeah, before I would like to exit, I would just let you know that this is a free program on Linux. You can get it by clicking the command sudo apt-get install Audacity. on Windows, you can get it by downloading the executable file. This is free of any virus, I can guarantee you. But you just want to make sure you click on the link provided by me just to make sure that it's virus free. And that's really for today. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button for more awesome videos. I'll see you guys very soon. Later.